Kriya Shari department. I am Dr. Shivani Arora, working as Assistant Professor, Kriya Shari department at Aryan Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital. Kriya Shari. This subject has been included in first year curriculum of BMS. This subject studies the normal physiology of human body from Ayurvedic as well as modern perspective. The subject has been divided into two parts. First, the Ayurvedic part and the modern part. Apart from that, the practicals will also be conducted here. In the theory part, the students will be learning about the basic concepts of Ayurveda like dosh, dhatu, mal, prakriti, agni, etc. While in the modern counterpart, they will be learning about the physiology of different systems of human body. Coming to practical part, all the practicals will be conducted in our departmental laboratory. So let us take a look at our departmental laboratory. Our departmental laboratory is spacious enough to accommodate 30 students at a time. Our college has provided us all the instruments and the equipments that will be required to perform the practicals. As you can see here, the self-illuminated compound microscopes, sphygmomanometer, sterilizers, stethoscopes. Apart from that, we have all the reagents and the chemicals that will be required to perform the practicals. Students will be performing the practicals like estimation of hemoglobin, determination of blood pressure, determination of blood group, RBC counting, WBC counting, bleeding time, clotting time, urine examination, etc. We also have a private departmental library that have all the reference book of the subject for the use of departmental faculty. The ability of a student to practice Ayurveda highly depends upon its understanding of Kriya Shari. One can know the abnormal only when he understands what the normal is. This is the reason why the extensive study of Kriya Shari becomes crucial in the first year of BMS. So this is how Kriya Shari deals with the normal physiology of human body and also prepares the student to understand the pathology as well. That will be in the second year of BMS curriculum.